the Jungle. Get ready for a barrel full of fun on the Monkey Maze. You must be 42 inches tall to enter, or 36 inches if accompanied by an adult. Please follow posted rules and verbal instructions by the operator. They are posted for your safety and the safety of others. There's no running allowed on this attraction. As you enter the ride, you will have to traverse through the darkest part of the jungle. It'll challenge the skills of the best explorers. Be aware, the walkways may move or spin, so please watch your step and hold on to the handrails when they are present. Just remember to always walk and keep your hands up while going through the ride. I don't see all the obstacles, and we don't want you to run into anything you can't see and get lost. Step as you take the stairs to the second floor, and don't stay too long in front of the size and shape-changing monkey mirrors. They'll make you roar. Remember to always slide feet first down the slide. Watch your step while entering the spinning barrel at the end of the ride. It may make you lightheaded. If you want the spinning barrel stopped at the end of the ride, notify the ride attendant and be careful while exiting. We hope you enjoy your adventure on the Rumble in the Jungle.